Bravo, Miljuš.
Off to a strong start here in match number 56 for first and second place in the men's middle weight division. Jim Reardon, and third fight for the yellow fighter, Ela Shurkin.
Go, Timmy!
Udaraj, Miljuš.
Number 56 for first and second place in men's middle-aged weight division.
Ajde, Miljuš.
Lay-tie competitor Daniel Cabell. Daniel Cabell reports to the lay-tie prep area.
Ivica!
Cabell for the lay-tie prep area.
Ajmo, Miljuš, low kick. Idemo, Srđane. Kik. Ivica, Ivica. Idemo, pun gas. Ajmo sad, pun gas. Ajmo, kraj, idemo, idemo. Ajde, ajde. Ajmo, ajmo, Miljuš, ajmo sad.
Taking second place, Jim Reardon from the Young Kung Fu Association.